Hi, everybody, and welcome to another episode of The George Show. I would like to take a minute and apologize for not making any George shows in a long time because, well, I wasn't here in America. I was in Albania. I took a trip for about a month. I had a great time. I visited my grandparents, and Albania is actually the country where I am from. It's I've been here like 20 years now, but you know what they say: never forget where you came from. And and I and and that's what I believe too. Well, at any rate, here's one of the souvenirs I got from Albania. It's a pipe, and we call this a fuel. And the shepherds play this, or they used to. I don't know if they still do. Not as much as they used to, but I'm going to play it for you right here. See how good I am. There's just nothing that I cannot do. Okay, for this episode, we are actually going to do another uh, another puppet show, Mickey and Sonic puppet show. And without further ado, because I know you don't want to waste any more time, there's plenty of other good YouTube stuff out there. So uh, let's get to the show, and you can be out of here and on your way. Uh, so let's begin. I can't believe that you're leaving me here alone tonight. Sorry, Mickey, I've got a date. What's her name again? Her name is Kate Rose. Well, have a good time. Don't wait up. I have to work tonight. Hey, Kate. Hi, Sonic. Do you like my supersonic Ferrari? Yeah, that's a nice car you have here. Do you get pulled over for speeding? Sometimes. Where would you like to eat tonight, Kate? French food or Italian? Let's do French, Sonic. French. Well, good, because there's a French restaurant right down the street here. Good. Garçon. Garçon. How may I help you, sir? Mickey. What are you doing here, Mickey? I work here. You work at a French restaurant? Yes, I do. Well, be it as it may, give us your best French food, Mickey. French fries it is. No, Mickey, something nicer for the lady. I like French fries. No, come on, Kate Rose. Let's get the escargot. No, let's go with the fries. Okay, Mickey, the French fries. Be right back. Oh, what a night! Oh, what a night! Ce soir, ce soir. Tonight I feel like a rock and roll star. How about you? I feel like we're in Paris. Sweet. Another superb performance from me, Cash. All right. That's it for this episode of the Georgia, and we'll see you all back here next time.